Hi, Ashley here, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a Boomer Shroomer Inflatable Monotub. First, you will need water and a washcloth. Next, remove the plugs and filters and put them in a bag to clean later. You can reuse the plugs and filters for later grows. Next, you will want to remove the whole cake from the monotub. Using a liner makes it a lot easier to clean. When removing the cake, the liner will easily fall off, and then you can add the mycelium to your compost pile or garden. Then, dump out all the large chunks by flipping the tub over and shaking it out. Next, with a hose, wash out all the large chunks in the tub. Then you can use a washcloth to wipe down the tub and remove all the spores and small particles. Make sure to wipe down the bottom, creases, and sides of the tub. And I like to rinse and wash it out a few times. After cleaning the tub outside, I bring the tub inside to do a more thorough cleaning. I spray and wipe down the whole tub with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Make sure not to use 90% because it evaporates too quickly. First, I start by spraying down my hands and body with 70% isopropyl alcohol before I start. Then carefully start with the lid and spray and wipe down every corner and section of the tub with 70% isopropyl. To clean the corners, carefully push in the corners and wipe them down. To clean the plugs and filters, spray 70% isopropyl in the bag and let the filters soak for a little bit. Then wipe down each plug and they are ready to use. Over time, the filters will start to oxidize and turn yellow. They are still fine to use. Eventually, over time, I do start to replace them. And as a final precaution, I let the tub sit overnight and then I spray and wipe down the tub with 70% isopropyl alcohol one last time and it's ready to use. By using these protocols, I have decreased my cross-contamination between grows. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any additional questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you. Bye.